Hello. So, as we have been discussing about career guidance, today I'm going to go in a little bit depth for armed forces, how to go for entrance test for defense services. So, the career in the armed forces is undoubtedly highly revered in India. The defense services offer dignified, prestigious, and lucrative career opportunities. Every year, lakhs of candidates appear in defense exams to fulfill their dreams of being the part of the elite forces Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. In this section, we will discuss about famous entrance tests for defense services, National Defense Academy and Naval Academy Examination, NDA and NA. Then Combined Defense Services Examination, CDSE. Air Force Common Admission Test, AFCAT. Indian Navy Entrance Test, INET. So these are the entrance exams. So once again I'll repeat, NDA and NA, and that is National Defense Academy. Combined Defense Services Examination, CDSE. Air Force Common Admission Test, AFCAT. Indian Navy Entrance Test, INET. So now let me say about National Defense Academy and Naval Academy Examination. To join National Defense Academy and Naval Academy, a candidate can appear in the entrance exam conducted by UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, New Delhi, to recruit candidates in the Army, Navy, and Air Force. The union, that is UPSC, is solely liable for issuing guidelines for selection and therefore the final conduct of the doorway examination. This national level test is held twice, NDA and NA 1 and NDA and NA 2 per annum within the months of April and November. Candidates need to first qualify the written test with minimum qualifying mark, then appear for the SSB interview round to urge entry into NDA and NA. Eligibility criteria. There are various parameters on the idea of which candidates' eligibility is checked in order that they will appear for the exam and eligible for the further procedures. Some of them are nationality. As per nationality standard set up by UPSC for NDA and NA, candidates must have Indian citizen or should be subject of Bhutan, subject of Nepal, Tibetan refugee who came to India proceeding January 1, 1962 with the aim of forever settling in India. PIO, person of Indian origin who has returned from Burma, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and East African countries of Uganda, Kenya, the United Republic of Tanzania, Zambia, Malawi, Zaire and Ethiopia or Vietnam, with the intention to settle down permanently in India. Age limit. Only unmarried male candidates are allowed. Candidates out to enter their date of birth as recorded in the matriculation or secondary school, leaving certificate or in a certificate recognized by the Indian University. Educational qualification. For Army Wing, candidates must have passed class 12 or cleared the equivalent examination of the state board to be eligible for NDA. For Air Force or Naval Wings and for the 10+2 cadet entry scheme at the Indian Academy, candidates must have passed class 12 with examination of the state board with physics and mathematics as subjects, or cleared the equivalent examination of the state board to be eligible for NDA. Candidates who are appearing in class 12 or equivalent examination of the state board are also eligible for NDA and NA. So in order to know the criteria, you can click https/ that is /www.upsc.government.in/sites slash default slash files slash notification, okay, NOTIF, then NDA 1 2020 in eng.pdf. okay, so once again I'll repeat, you will have to click in the website, okay, to know the eligibility criteria of NDA and Nda exams. HTTPS, you all know it, okay, www.upsc.government.in /sites/default/files/ notification, N will be capital, OTIF, notif, then put a not underscore, the other line, okay, and then N, capital D, capital A, capital N, and capital A. Again one more line you can put, and then 1, that is I, Roman letter 1, and then one more /2020 not slash, I mean that dash, okay, dash English, capital ENG.pdf. okay. NDA exam centers are, UPSC has 41 exam centers. While filling out the NDA form, candidates need to mention their preferences from the menu. Candidates need to make 3 choices out of the given 41 center options. NDA exam patterns. NDA exams are held in offline mode. The test has 2 sections, mathematics 300 marks and general ability test 600. The time duration of every paper is 2.5 hours. Okay, so subjects are mathematics code 1 and it's 2.5 hours and maximum marks is 300. Then general ability test is code 02, 2 hours and 30 minutes, 600, it's out of 600, so total mark is 900. okay, for mathematics section, candidates can prepare the subsequent topics like algebra, matrices and determinants, trigonometry, analytic geometry of 2 and 3 dimensions, differential calculus, integral calculus and differential equations, vector algebra, statistics and probability. So these are the GAT section, the general ability test section, is divided into 2 parts. Part A is English, consists of 200 marks. Candidates can prepare the following topics: grammar and usage, vocabulary, comprehension and cohesion. Okay. Part B is general knowledge, consists of 400 marks. Candidates can prepare the following topics: physics, chemistry, general science, social studies, geography and current events. Click here, that is http and then the 2 dots /www.upsc.government.in /sites/default/notif, capital N and OTIF, and then dash capital N, capital D, capital A, capital N and capital A, and then dash, then Roman letter 1, and then 2 again dash 2020 dash English ENG.pdf. okay, the paper will contain objective types questions only. The question papers, that is test booklets of mathematics and part B of general ability test, are going to be set in bilingually in Hindi and English. So the features of examinations are: exam name is National Defense Academy and Naval Academy Examination. Conducting body is UPSC. Official website is upsc.government.in. Exam type is national level. Eligibility criteria is unmarried male candidates. Mode of application is online. Exam mode is offline. Duration is, as I said, 2.5 hours. Okay, this is about NDA. And now about NDA, there is a special scheme now. Okay, as women were not allowed, but for women to make a special entry scheme, there is a special entry scheme for them. I just browsed in your what is it website, and I came to know NDA there is no chance of women entry, but there are some special entries for them.